How to change your TikTok name. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your name on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is simply update your TikTok app, as if your app is not updated, sometimes it will restrict some features and you won't be able to change your name. So now once you've made sure your app is updated, simply open your TikTok app and also make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you'll be taken to your profile page. Now this right over here on the top is your TikTok name. So in order to change your TikTok name, simply tap on the option edit profile right over here, and now you'll see the option named name. So in order to change your TikTok name, simply tap on it, and now you'll be able to make changes to your name. And now once you've done that, simply tap on the option save on the top right corner of your screen, and now make sure you can only change your name once every 7 days. So if you've changed your name today, you won't be able to change it for the next 7 days. So now once you're okay with that, simply tap on confirm, and there you have it. That is basically how you change your name on TikTok. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.